Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things related to health and well-being. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects us all, our mood. Did you know that what you eat can have a major impact on your mood swings and overall mental well-being? That's right. Many of the foods we consume contain additives that can wreak havoc on our emotions. So, grab a snack and let's get into it. Sugar. Sugar, oh sugar. We have a love-hate relationship with this sweet temptation. While it may give us a temporary energy boost, excessive sugar consumption has been linked to various health issues, including diabetes, weight gain, and even cancer. But did you know it can also mess with your mood? Yup, that's right. Sugar can trigger irritability, mood swings, and even anxiety. It's like a roller coaster ride for your emotions. Aspartame. Now, let's talk about aspartame. You'll find this sugar substitute in many diet or sugar-free products. While it may seem like a healthier alternative, aspartame has its own set of issues. Headaches, ringing in the ears, fatigue, and digestive problems are just a few of the side effects reported by some people. So, if you're looking for a sweetener, why not try natural options like honey or coconut sugar? Your taste buds and mood will thank you. White flour. Bread, pasta, and all things wheat. They're staple foods in many of our diets. However, white flour or wheat flour, in particular, can have a negative impact on our mood. It's been linked to tiredness, insomnia, and even mood swings. I know, it's tough to avoid completely, but reducing your consumption can make a real difference in how you feel. Maybe try exploring some alternative grains or gluten-free options to mix things up. Hydrogenated oils. Lastly, let's talk about those hydrogenated oils lurking in many processed foods. They might make those snacks taste amazing and last longer on the shelf, but they're not doing your mood any favors. Hydrogenated oils contain trans fatty acids, which are known to mess with your cholesterol levels and can leave you feeling down and confused. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like cold-pressed vegetable oils such as coconut oil or olive oil. And there you have it, folks. The foods we consume can have a significant impact on our mood swings and overall mental well-being. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, think twice about what's in it. Remember, a healthy, fresh, and balanced diet is key to keeping those mood swings in check. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Take care of your mind and body, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.